is for alligator, snapping by the shore. B is for bear, who gives a mighty roar. C is for cat, who purrs and plays all day. D is for dog, who loves to run and stay. From A to Z, come sing with me. Animals are fun, as you can see. So clap your hands and shout hooray for the ABCs we learned today. E is for elephant, with a trunk so long. F is for frog, who croaks a bouncy song. G is for giraffe, reaching to the sky. H is for hippo, splashing water high. From A to Z, come sing with me. Animals are fun, as you can see. So stomp your feet and jump around. Let's make a wild and joyful sound. I is for iguana, climbing up a tree. J is for jaguar, quick as quick can be. K is for kangaroo, hopping down the lane. L is for lion, king of the plain. From A to Z, come sing with me. Animals are fun, as you can see. M is for monkey, swing through the air. N is for newt, with colors bright and rare. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for penguin, wobbling left and right. From A to Z, come sing with me. Animals are fun, as you can see. Flap your wings and shake your tail. Together we go on this ABC trail. Q is for quail, hiding in the grass. R is for rabbit, bouncing oh so fast. S is for snake, who slithers low and slow. T is for tiger, with stripes in a row.